Through this government's plan, MLTM plans to increase housing supply rate to 107.1% by the year 2018, number of housing per 1,000 people to 406, home ownership to 65%, and rental housing inventory in stock to 12% by year 2018. As shown in the first graph, Korea has significantly lower housing supply rate compared to other developed nations. To bring statistics up in line with those of developed countries, the government pledged to construct more houses, and this will allow KNHC to enjoy more opportunities to expand its business. The next point is KNHC's well-harmonized and profitable business portfolio. Korea National Housing Corporation enjoys a well-balanced business portfolio comprising public policy-related business and profit-generating business. On the foundation of the company's public role-based business, KNHC's Bunyang business works as the company's profit engine, generating significant portion of the total revenue. This balanced business profile, coupled with stable support from the government, enables KNHC to enjoy a stronger financial position. As an execution arm of the government, KNHC fulfills the government's public policy mandate of providing underprivileged and low-income individuals with affordable rental housing. KNHC will continuously seek to expand various types of housing welfare services, offering permanent rental housing, rental and jeonse housing for child-headed individuals based on the government new policy. The rental housing business is executed leveraging off the government's financial support in order to improve housing welfare and living standard of the unprivileged and the lowest income household. KNHC's Bunyang business has continuously served as the company's cash cow. The profit from Bunyang business coming from new city development and land renewal business has been steadily increased since the year 2003, and given the government's new housing policies, we foresee these trends will continue. In this section, I will provide an update on KNHC's financial performance. This slide shows a snapshot of our financial statements. Our balance sheet shows steady growth in our asset and equity for the past 4 years in a row. Let's look closely into our key financial ratios. KNHC achieved a stable revenue and EBITDA growth for the last 5 years. On the other hand, due to the increased influx of liabilities from the additional debt raised to finance the company's rental business, the financial ratios have been recently deteriorating. However, this is mainly owing to the long-term repayments of the rental business, since the significant portion of this debt is capital contribution from the government, such as National Housing Fund. The source of funding is safely secured and also the maturity varies. KNHC leveraged its business mainly through bonds and national housing funds. As we see in the diagram, KNHC has been taking advantage of well-diversified bond funding sources. The company also minimized cost of debt by utilizing National Housing Fund, in which 90% of them requires only 3% interest rate with a maturity of up to 30 years. Now let me provide you with an overall picture of merge with Korea Land Corporation. Korea Land Corporation, KLC in short, was established in 1975 to promote the efficient usage of the land resources and to enhance comprehensive utilization and development of the national land. By 2008 year-end, KLC has provided 310.41 million square meters of land for production purposes, including industrial and distribution complexes in 67 sites to accommodate 13,000 companies over the last 3 decades. KLC is also 100% owned by the government with strong support for government policy-driven project. KLC plays an integral role in implementing government's land policies through balanced regional development, stabilization of the national land supply, and management. As of 2008 year-end, the company's total asset was 33.3 trillion won, and the total revenue was 6.8 trillion won. KLC has A2 from Moody's and A from S&P, respectively. The ratings are equivalent to that of the sovereign. Now, I would like to provide you more clarity on our merge plan with Korea Land Corporation. First of all, on August 11, 2008, The government officially announced a merger plan between KNHC and KLC in the name of optimizing the major functions of two entities. On April 30, 2009, the National Assembly of Korea passed Korea National Land and Housing Corporation Act, KNLHC Act, under which the company and KLC will be merged into a combined entity named KNLHC on October 1, 2009. Please note the government's reorganization plan does not include privatization of KNHC. Therefore, even after the merger, the Korean National Land and Housing Corporation's existing mandate as a sole government housing and land implementation body will remain the same. We see the upcoming merger as another constructive and evolutionary step for the company's future, since the merger will mitigate the competition overlap of the business areas with KLC. This will significantly increase the efficiency of the company's operation. Also, stabilization of company's business is expected, resulting from cost savings and also the sole implementation arm of the government's public policy. Furthermore, the company's importance will be amplified as the largest quasi-sovereign entity in Korea in terms of the operating business size. Korea National Land and Housing Corporation will maximize the functions of the two corporations as the fully integrated government's land and housing public policy execution arm. As of August 4, 2009, the Ministry of Land, Transportation, and Maritime Affairs has renewed the strong support letter for the proposed international bond issuance. In the letter, MLTM reaffirmed, first, continuous support through the National Housing Fund in the long run. Second, the support of the government for the financing of land acquisition, property development, housing construction, and rental housing management activities. Third, appropriate government action for the company to maintain solid creditworthiness in case of unexpected financial loss. And finally, no current intention of privatizing Korea National Housing Corporation and full direct or indirect ownership of KNHC, regardless of the merger with KLC. I would like to conclude the presentation by re-emphasizing our key credit strengths. Korea National Housing Corporation has enjoyed a phenomenal growth since its establishment thanks to, first, dedicated government support. Second, key role in the Korean housing market. Third, well-balanced business profile. And finally, robust financial profile. Leveraging up these unique credit strengths and the upcoming merger with Korea Land Corporation, we reborn as one of the world's best public housing corporations. We hope that you will take advantage of the opportunities that we have to offer and grow with us. Thank you very much.